folks, it's Alan here and I'm back in my electronics cave. Now you may notice that I've started building out this, which is the latest D2A converter which I'm building for the Maverick HiFi audio show. Now I have to say I've been slowed down a little bit doing this. From, if you've seen my previous video, I had a little bit of an accident with the circular saw and it's still somewhat hampering me, but I'm slowly getting there, and I have actually started being able to solder again, which is good news. So it's allowed me to build out this, which is the next version of the D2A converter, which I'm taking to Maverick with me. This is a much higher spec one than the early ones that I've shown videos about. The most obvious difference that you can tell is this whacking great big pile of inductors, capacitors and regulators, which I'm using as the power supply input board for this. But there's a little bit more to it than that as well. I've also completely segregated the D2A converter stage within the actual DAC here to eliminate any digital noise, anything coming from the filters, or actually even anything that's internally generated. And you can possibly just about see around here, there's a whole bunch here of these chips here, which are actually optical isolators. So in fact the important audio stage of the D2A converter, which is the bit with the red caps and all the way of the circuitry up to the right hand side of that, that is completely optically isolated from anything that's digitally noisy. And that's why I've got quite so many power supplies on here, because that stage needs its own set of power supplies in addition to the ones that are needed for the USB, the oversampling filters, blah blah blah, all of that good stuff. So yeah, hopefully I'll see some of you at the Maverick HiFi show, and hopefully I'll have this running and you should be able to hear what is going to be my top of the range D2A converter. Thank you very much for listening.